6. Did the Romans and do the Americans love virtue? The early Roman love of virtue gave way in time to a love of evil. Not many Romans, however, like to admit that this had happened. Instead of an open love for evil, they disguised their taste for sin with a supposed desire to expose wrongdoings. As a result, exposés of evil in high places became very popular. Writers, both important and unimportant, found that the sins of the high and mighty made for a large readership. Most Romans loved to profess outrage over the sins of the mighty, when in fact they envied them. Writers like Tacitus, Suetonius, and others had a ready market for their accounts of sin in high places. Senate investigations also became popular. Every time there was a hearing on evil in public office, many people assumed that a great forward step had been taken. The false assumption was very widespread that condemning evil made a man righteous. This is a dangerous belief. No man becomes righteous or moral by condemning sin in other people. The Bible tells us in Psalm 11:7, "The righteous Lord loveth righteousness." We are not told that God blesses men for their interest in evil, but only when they are righteous. Deuteronomy 28. Today, this feeling of the Romans is our feeling also. We have come to believe that our denunciation of evil means righteousness on our part, and we have men on the left and right of political issues who think they are good because they are loud in denouncing evil. More than a few periodicals have been very successful, like many politicians, simply for exposing and denouncing evil. Well, Rome always had a loud chorus of denouncers and perished all the same. Then, as now, the ability to investigate, denounce, and condemn evil is no guarantee of righteousness. The Romans of old, like Americans of today, loved to see evil exposed. They loved to talk about national scandals. Evil is interesting to most people, whereas righteousness is not. At a dinner party, a suddenly disgusted host said, "Let's stop all this talk about scandals and evils. Let's talk about something good for a change." The result was a painful silence. No one was interested in talking about righteousness. But freedom rests on righteousness or justice. Without righteousness, freedom perishes.